God told Jonah, "Go to Nineveh, go to Nineveh, go to Nineveh." God told Jonah, "Go to Nineveh, tell my people to pray." Jonah told God, "I won't go to Nineveh, won't go to Nineveh, won't go to Nineveh." Jonah told God, "I won't go to Nineveh, I will not obey." God threw Jonah in the deep blue sea, in the deep blue sea. Glad it wasn't me. God threw Jonah in the deep blue sea. Guess what happened next? Jonah spent 3 days in the belly of a gigantic whale. What a fishing tale! Jonah spent 3 days knowing he had failed. Jonah had regrets. The whale got sick and spit him on the beach, spit him on the beach, spit him on the beach. The whale got sick and spit him on the beach.